Welcome to the London Outlook for Friday, the 8th of December 2023. Starting off with the economic calendar, as you can see, there's just New York session news. Quite important high impact news being an NFP Friday. Yeah, Given this, we won't. If we do take any trades in the London session, we probably want to close it out before we actually get this news release, as the news release tends to have quite a high impact and spreads increase, and it's just generally not a good idea to be in any open positions unless you're really well positioned, like at least I'd say 50 to 100 pips um, in profit, because it's unlikely that price is going to move. Well, it could move, but if it does move that much, at least you'll be taken out break even and you won't be slipped, or at least not slipped significantly. So that's just something to consider. But yeah, in terms of trading the London session, nothing really of concern. Although when there are days like this, more often than not, price just tends to range until the news release. But oftentimes it does also tend to move quite nicely. So yeah, it's just about whether you want to be involved or not in the London session. Starting off with the daily, what you can see is yesterday we had that bullish close candle as anticipated, and now we're back to a neutral state from a daily perspective. In terms of the 4 hour, we once again have reasons to both long and short. The pullback phase is still in effect until we actually get to the extreme, and we're still reacting to this pro-trend OB, so we are creating that primary leg on the 15-minute, 5-minute. But yeah, if we quickly jump into the 5-minute, you'll see we created this nice demand chain. You've got a flip right here, and we've got this big leg to consider. In terms of actually taking any positions, I think taking a position in this POI, excuse me, taking a position in this POI is fairly well thought out, as it's where it makes a lot of sense for the low of the day to form. If we do get triggered into this, then we'd break even right around here, and then obviously we've got to consider NFP later in the day. But yeah, nothing much to say. In terms of short opportunities, we'd need this level to, or this OB to indicate that we actually are changing character and creating that secondary leg from the primary leg of the pullback phase. But yeah, there's still a ways to go. If you look at the 5-minute, you can see it's one straight push to the upside. So the 15-minute jock level is the same on both the 5 and 15-minute, and thus to consider any shorts we'd need this level to be wicked, and then obviously a supply to hold.